Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course that is offered by Taseer Dawakhana PVT Ltd. This course is generally prepared for the patients who are affected by the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you about the Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Disease male infertility, how it can cure the disease male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reasons of this disease, indications, male infertility types, complete details about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, I will should know what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not be able to get pregnant despite having frequent and protected sex for at least 1 year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile. And there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin or glycoprotein polypeptide hormone. FSH is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary gland and regulate the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive process of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone level in adult male are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high FSH level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low FSH level in males may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by the gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary gland in males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates lytic cell production of testosterone. For males, the normal range in 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. Their pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. In general, the normal testosterone range in males in about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanogram per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peak at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone level above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Infertility may be due to single cause in either you or your partner or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year. Now, secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to conceive another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertility cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, conditions related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and our exposure to certain environmental elements. Viewers, testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle diseases. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheath surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborn and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is the varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that hold your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are 3 types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contain no sperm. It is associated with the infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia main cause is infection. It includes pus cells in semen, blood in semen or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into 2 more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urological condition and accounts for 6.1 to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most rare form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with these conditions are typical. These include the ability to get and maintain an erection, as well as produce ejaculation and orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count in between 200 to 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in men, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormone level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed via semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of these, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. Good health is essential for both men or women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 mm semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperm. If he has 50 millions or less than 50 millions active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula. 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperms. 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm. 200 by 30% is equal to 120 million active sperms. Whereas a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 millions in a day. These sperm get matured in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all the diseases by using Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute Taseer Dawakhana work under the supervision of Dr. Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effects. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma PVT Ltd. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cells infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of a semen, thickness in a semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperm where a person will be relieved. For all infertility diseases, increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they can become fertile. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefit. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredients in Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course highest quality and verified of purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. And it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course has some special herb which is especially prepared for those who have erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length or width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, beef, spicy and cold drink. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and make you infertile. So why to do these things? Quiet smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. Alcohol use can affect the health of a developing sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poorer result with infertility treatment. If you can, find a way to reduce stress in your life. Eliminate your infertility with Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day.